Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Morning all. So myself, I'm Vijay. Like I hold 20 plus years of experience, which includes nearly 10 plus years of experience in Python environment. My experience includes design, development, and implementation of Python and Django based applications. Well versed in implementing different Python libraries like NumPy, CP, Pandas, Matplotlib, right? So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not, right? Yeah. Is my voice clear to all? Can anyone please confirm me
Yes,
once?
it is.
Yes.
Thank you. So as part of today's demo, I'll be covering the following things like why Python. Python is not a kind of technology which is very recently introduced. It was introduced in the year 1989. Why all of a sudden Python is suddenly super popular? Reasons which makes it super popular, right? And who can learn Python? What are the prerequisites for learning Python? There are no prerequisites for learning Python. Anyone can update with Python. Python statements look like a normal English statements. They are not as complex as other programmings. And also the coding of Python, it's not even one fourth as compared with other programming languages. And how Python was built? Python was built by taking the features, advantages from many other programming languages. It has taken some features or advantages from one programming, some other features or advantages from other programming. In this way, from multiple programming languages, it has taken the features and advantages. That's the reason we call Python as a hybrid language because of multiple programming features. Python real-time applications. What kind of applications are we going to develop today by using Python? Python mostly used for developing what kind of applications? Before you update with any technology, you need to know what kind of applications are we developing today by using Python. Python usage. Who are using Python today? Which companies are using Python? Python features as compared with other programming, comparison with other programming, coding wise, length wise, complexity wise, you can check how simple the Python statements as compared with other programmings and reasons why it is suddenly super popular and what is the current job market of Python and what is the scope of Python in the coming years. So starting with why Python, I define Python in 5 lines. Python is a general purpose programming. Python is a general purpose programming. So what do you mean by general purpose programming? So before Python, there were some programming languages. If you heard about these programming languages like Pascal, Fortran, COBOL. These programming languages, these programming languages are purpose-based languages. We say this as purpose-based languages. Purpose-based languages means these are used for a specific purpose. These are used for a specific purpose, right? Yes. Pascal, Pascal, right? For complicated mathematical applications. Fortran for scientific applications. COBOL for business applications. These are for business applications. Fortran for scientific applications. Mathematical applications. Means these are used for a particular purpose, not for all the purposes. That's why we call as purpose-based languages. But a language, which is suitable for developing a language which is suitable for developing any kind of applications. A language which is suitable for developing any kind of applications. Such a language is called as general purpose programming language. General purpose programming language. Which is suitable for developing any kind of application. Such a language is called as general purpose programming language. So Python is not purpose based. It's not for a particular purpose. Any kind of applications. It is for developing any kind of application. Such a language is called as general purpose programming language. Using Python, any kind of applications we can develop today, like automation applications, web applications, animation applications, gaming applications, graphical applications, embedded applications, networking applications, right? In this way, wide varieties of applications you can can develop today by using Python. It has got multi-programming features. What all the features we see in different other programming languages, all those features you see in Python. That's the reason we call Python as a hybrid language. Just I'll brief you, right? What are the various features Python has got? High level language. Python is a high level language. There are two types of languages. Two types of languages. Low level languages. High level languages. Low level languages like assembly level language. Assembly level language or machine level language. These languages are firstly, they are not human understandable. They are not human understandable. They are not portable, right? They are not human understandable. They are not portable and machine dependent. They are not human understandable. They are not portable. They are machine dependent. Means not portable. They cannot be carried from one system to another system. The code. Machine dependent. They cannot run on all the operating systems. But high level languages like Python, they are easily understandable. They look like normal English statements. They are portable. The code can be carried from one system to another system and machine dependent. So it's human understandable, portable, machine independent, can run on all the hardware and all the operating systems. Interpreted language. Interpreted language. Python is a interpretation language. Line by line execution, right? Yes. Here also you can see two categories of languages. Two categories of languages, right? Yes. Two categories of languages. First category, two categories. First category is Okay. First category, right? Yes. Compilation languages. Second, like interpretation. This compilation language executes the entire code at once. Interpretation languages, they won't execute the entire code at once. Statement by statement execution. Compilation example of compilation languages. C language. Interpretation example, Python. Interpretation language interprets line by line execution. It won't execute the entire code at once, right? By compilation languages executes the entire code at once, right? Yes. User-friendly programming or programmer-friendly programming language which provides simple syntaxes, which looks like normal English statement. So Python is general purpose programming, any kind of applications you can develop. It has got multi-programming features. Means what all the features we see in different other programmings. We see all those in high level language, easily understandable, portable, and machine independent. Interpreted language, line by line execution, right? And user friendly programming or programmer friendly programming language. Yes, I was talking Python has got multi programming features. Python has got multi programming features. So what are the programming features Python has got and what we are going to discuss as part of our course, right? So Python has got functional programming features, functional programming example like C language has got the features of functional programming like C language. It has got the features of object-oriented programming, object-oriented programming features. Example like C++, Java. It has got the features of scripting. Example like shell script. It has got the features of modular programming. It has got the features of modular programming like modular 3. So as part, see here, like C language, like C++, like Java, like shell script, like modular 3, you can develop different varieties of applications. You can develop different varieties of applications. Once again, I say, for learning Python, doesn't require any prerequisites. It doesn't mean that you need to have the knowledge on C language, C++, Java, Modular 3. No. As part of our course, we'll be learning all this. Functional programming with Python, object-oriented programming with Python, scripting, and modular programming with Python. So, yes, two major programming languages used for enterprise applications creations currently, right? Python and Java. Python and Java are the two major programming languages used for enterprise applications creations today. But the Java programmers or developers are strictly restricted to use only object-oriented programming. They're strictly restricted to use only object-oriented programming, right? Without means without a class or object, you cannot write a Java application or a program. Without this object-oriented programming, you cannot write a Java program or an application, right? But in Python, with object oriented, without object oriented, with modular programming or with functional programming, we can write different varieties of applications. And scripting, Python is one of the best scripting language with vast varieties of libraries, right? So we are writing automation scripts in DevOps environment, in IoT, in AWS, and robotics, right? And modular programming. Python has got super popular. Python was super popular because of this modular programming. Python has got a great boom because of this modular programming, right? 89,300 inbuilt modules Python is providing for different environments. 89,300 inbuilt modules. Okay, thousands of modules Python is providing for different environment. Whatever environment you are from, whatever domain you are from, Python is providing a module for it. Whether you are from networking or testing or data science or big data or database, any background, right? Any Python is providing a module not only for computer applications, for also for other applications like electronics and civil environment. Also, Python is providing many modules. Modules consist of built-in functions. So because of this modular programming only, I said Python has got super popular, thousands of modules. A simple example, if you take example of a module, just observe here, just I'll show you practically. Any module, it has got built-in functions using which directly we can perform the operations. For example, I'm taking example of I want to find the square root of a number. I want to find the square root of a number. So I'll import math module. I'll import math. Within the math module, there is a built-in function called square root. You can make use of it. You want square root of what? A number 16. That's it. It gives 4. Very simple, right? Import the module and use its functionality like square root. Yeah, because of this modular programming, or because of these thousands of modules Python is providing, right? It is super popular. Modules, more on this, right? For each and every environment, even for example, for data science, is providing separate modules. It is providing nearly 10 to 15 modules for data science environment, like NumPy, CP, Pandas, PyTables, Matplotlib, CP, Scikit-learn, right? In this way, many modules Python has got for data science environment. That's the reason today Python is the mostly chosen or mostly used programming for this data science, ML, DL, machine learning, deep learning, AI, right? Yes. Even big data, like we got SpicePark, separate modules. Data science, separate modules. Big data, separate modules. Even for testing or for test cases, for networking, for every environment, Python is providing. For networking, not only separate modules, a separate framework Python is providing, right? For networking applications or network programming. And not only this, for operating system kinds of activities, OS. The name of the module itself is OS, for performing OS related activities like renaming a folder,